another hack using HeatShrink. This trick will of course also work at times, sometimes not. Just add some here and go uniform. Okay. Not that bad. Put that in the background. Next step is to hit E. So these are now extended, and I can use, for example, the stretch tool. Go like that. And then I can use HeatShrink. Close the point, okay. Alright, so yeah, another way to go about it. We'll just cut that into layer 1. Take these guys and copy them to this side. Use snap tool and snap this guy here. And that's it really. Merge points. We can flip those. So nice geometry, but a bit so in terms of workflow.